What is up, guys? After weeks, we finally got the ECU back. My voice is cracked. The ECU back. Someone asked, they wanted to see the license plate light in the night. Here you go. So, we're gonna ride her a bit, take her out, see what's up. It's been a long time, bro. She didn't even want to turn on. How have y'all been, man? So I got a new job. I do not work with Amazon anymore, right? I am with Microsoft now. A little bit better company, you know? It has been a while, y'all. How have y'all been, man? So I don't know if y'all noticed, but my videos are usually like, they're not chronological. I mean, they are chronological, but like, as in like, I have them later than usual. You know what I'm saying? So like a video that I posted like last week was probably like a month ago, or maybe a couple weeks before that, you know what I'm saying? So they're not usually like up to date, but they're up to date. But I'm glad I got a bunch of subscribers though. You know, I'm glad I got 1,000 of y'all. It's crazy. Yeah, man, so from last time when I got it back from Coleman's, right, it was just so bad, bro. It was lacking in everything, man. It felt just so soy, you know. Like, bro, it had no oomph at all. So I had to, I couldn't ride it for long. I'm just cruising tonight, boys and girls. Yeah, man, it was just so bad, man. Like, so I just had to get off of it, had to send it off to David right away. And now that it's back in my hands, I installed it like a couple, like maybe like last week, but it's just also been rainy as hell, bro. Like, I can't get a break with this Virginia weather, man. It's so bipolar. It's just so bipolar, man. One day is like sunny, next day or something like that, it's like cold, and then it's rainy but hot, and then it's hot again. It's weird. It's like weird combinations of every weather you can think about. Y'all can see in this dark. I changed the ND filter out to just your regular GoPro lens, you know. Yeah, so I had to send it off, and now she just feels so much better. I got the check engine light, as you can see, but that ain't no problem. It's gonna go away soon. Sorry, man, sorry. It's the bike, bro. Oh, smells like semen. You know that tree that smells like cum, bro? Smells like fucking semen out here, bruh. What the? I've been seeing a lot of like just drama in the bike world lately, man. A lot more crashes, just beef. It's kind of funny, but also just like kind of dumb, man. Like talking about crashes, I saw a video of, I'm pretty sure y'all seen it, but it was like a video of so there's just a new rider just riding, right, and he's riding ahead of his group, and whatchamacallit, the guy that's videotaping his friend, the beginner rider, he's like, yo, as they're trying to turn left, right? The dude that's recording, he's like, yo, push down right, and the motherfucker, the beginner rider, pushes down on his right, and what does that do? Oh, did you just not see did you see what it did to my bike? Yeah, it turns fucking right. Oh man, he booked it over the freaking the railings of the highway into the grass, and I was just like, come on, people. It's like, how do you mistaken that as like a good tip? That is not a good tip at all, bro. A good tip is like my tip, you know. Yo, if y'all don't fucking know this song, yo, my brakes, like, are my brakes okay? Anyway, stacks from all sides. Sky is your God. That's the song. You know what my next song is? The closer I get to you. know this song. Be more cultured and watch the damn movie. The closer I get to you, the more you make me see. By giving me all you got, over and over again. Take that, bitch. You made me miss the light. What the fuck? So I've also noticed that, I mean, probably because the check engine light's on, but I'm not sure, who knows. But I've also noticed when you first get the tune back, or your ECU back, it takes like maybe a couple rides for it to really like smoothen out. Because as of right now, like, it's a weird thing where like my second gear, when I'm just like coasting, it feels like it's still like on the gas, you know what I'm saying? It's still like on the throttle in a way, like kind of like cruise control in a way, you know? So it's like floating still. So it does that a little bit, but then like it kind of like goes away after a while, after a couple rides, you know? So any cops around? There's a cop right there, bro. I'm never gonna get that light, bro. it like just coast like that. You see this? You see what I'm talking about? It's like weird. It's like it's on auto cruise control or something. Like look at this. I'm not even on the throttle, bro. Something's wrong with this. It's probably just because the check engine light, bro. Most definitely, man. Beautiful machine.